In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon TS4320 to your PC computer. I'll show you how to connect them, but also how to print using Wi-Fi and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your Windows machine. So let's get started right away. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that the printer is in pairing mode. So over here, you're going to notice this button, okay? Above it, there is a light. If the light is turned off the way it is on my printer, let me get a close-up. If this light right over here is turned off, we need to keep press the pairing button until it lights up. If in your case, this light is already lit up, you don't have to do anything. So let me just turn it on. Okay, perfect. You see, now the light is green. It's ready to be paired. Let's go on the PC. So on your PC, you need to open the Microsoft Store. If you never did this in the past, down below you should see this logo over here. This is the Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, go into the search bar and simply type Microsoft, okay? Tap on Microsoft Store. And once you have this open, go into the search bar over here and type Canon Print. This is the app that we need to download, the Canon Print app for Windows. So I'll click install and I'll be back once this is ready to be launched. All right, I will click on open. Over here, you're gonna check all and press the OK button. Press next. Set up now. Wait a few seconds. It will ask you to see if the printer is turned on. I'm just making sure that there is some lights on the printer. So indeed, it's turned on. I'll press the next button. Over here, you're going to select the first option, Wi-Fi connection. Does your printer have the following button? I'll select yes. Press next. And now it will ask us to press that button 3 seconds. So let me do it with you. I'll press this button 3 seconds. 3. Okay, then lift your finger. And usually on the screen, it should change because it has detected that your printer is in pairing mode. Okay, you see, it took around 10 seconds. And now we can press connect. Once it's finished downloading, you're gonna press next. And this will be the Canon Print app where you're gonna interact to print, scan, and do anything. So let's give it a few seconds so it loads up. So if you want to print, every time you're gonna click on photo print if it's a picture, or if it's a document, you're gonna click on document print, and this is what I will choose here. It will ask you to go in the folder, specific folder on your Windows computer, and choose whatever you want to print. So I'll go ahead and let's say I want to print this PDF file. It will load, and it's important to check the settings that will be on display on the right side. Over here, simply click do not show it again and close. So the paper size, it's important to make sure that it's the right one, and other settings, including the media type. If you're going to print on glossy paper, it's important that you select glossy paper, okay, photo glossy paper from this list. I'm just printing on normal paper, so I'll leave it like this. Do you want to print on 2 sides? Quality, you can leave it to auto unless you're printing pictures. In that case, I suggest you select high. It will give you the best resolution. And finally, press print once you are done. Now let me show you how to scan. You simply have to put your document facing down on the scanner glass with the top part of the document towards the left side. Then you see there's an arrow here. You need to align the paper with this arrow. So make sure that the corner of the paper touches the corner with the arrow. Close the lid. Right on the app, you're going to press the scan button, and if it gives you this error message, it means that your printer got disconnected from your PC. Unfortunately, I don't know why. These are not very reliable. Wi-Fi wise. Then from here, you're going to make sure that the paper size is the correct one. DPI, leave it like this and press the scan button.